Recover Telegram account without phone number. Hey everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video I will guide you on how you can recover Telegram account without phone numbers, so make sure to watch the video till the end. Now if you would like to recover your Telegram account without a phone number, maybe you go ahead and then open the Telegram application here. You want to log into your account, maybe it's the account of yours, but you don't have access to your phone number. So how can you recover back your account? Well, first thing is that you can't recover your account, I'll tell you right from the start, without your phone number. Because see, there's a very basic thing. How can Telegram know that you are the owner of the account if you don't have the phone number and you don't have the access to that phone number? Now Telegram doesn't care whether you lose your phone number. You can always get it via the courier and request for the same phone number always, because if that phone number really belongs to you, you can request for the same phone number if you call your courier network, which is not related to Telegram, by the way. And another is, if you can't prove the ownership, imagine how can Telegram give you the access. For an example, let's say you are running a certain company, let's say like you are the owner of Telegram, let us suppose that. And if you are the owner of Telegram, what happens is that you actually get the verification with their phone numbers, right? So you know that this account belongs to them because they have access to that phone number. And of course you cannot give access to them if they don't have the phone number, because what if that is someone else's account and that other person is trying to gain access? Because you need to have the phone number and then only you will be able to log in. So thinking from their perspective as a consumer, you also need to understand that if you cannot prove the ownership, it is for your own good and for your own security reasons, Telegram will not give you access to your account unless you call your courier service, you request them that you lost your phone number, and then you request for the same phone number. Then in that case you might be able to retrieve it. Now luckily sometimes what happens is that in case you just forgot to, and then you go ahead and then enter your phone number, sometimes it doesn't directly send the code to your phone number. Sometimes they send the code to the other device where your Telegram app or account is still logged in. So we have send the code to the Telegram app, which means if you have a secondary phone where your Telegram is still logged in, you might actually still get the verification code there, which you can use. Only if you are not logged in here, you can say tap to get code via SMS, which you will get on the offline messaging application, but normally it's going to send it to the other device. So these are the two things that I want to clarify. If you have any questions, feel free to leave them down. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.